Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Storm Case. I'm Destiny Walker.
Well,
This is an interview about getting home making dinner. You might go, oh, you welcome. This is not really good. You guys, well, last time I saw it, I commented on it, and I said she sounded like a goat being killed. I was like, wait, it doesn't sound like what, or it's a goat getting burnt. Or sheep going, bah. Oh, because I'm a mean making all this time. She sounds horrible. She sounds good. The other, she's horrible. And, well, we want you guys you need to know what you guys think about it. Comment on our big videos about ours. Do whatever you feel is right. Tell us if she's horrible. Or it's good, but horrible. Her, she should know that she's a horrible singer. I'm not a pretty good singer at all. I mean, too. Like, we're not good singers. Well, we sing a little bit, but we don't like sing out in public and tell anybody that we like. We don't sing in public. That that would be weird. Well, today, well, today we were kidding. That shirt she has on right now.
I don't think they can see it.
Oh, you can't see the shirt. Yeah, that shirt is really tough in her bra. But she's pretty in it, and she got a boyfriend. So we're gonna see if he has it. Did he take off his bra? No, he didn't. He only went to he didn't have this. He had a ring on. Yeah, but it was just really, really. But yeah. So I want to say, oh, well, she's a horrible singer. And we have no reason to say that either because, or anybody, because nobody's a really great singer except for the famous people or some people out there. Yes,
Like staying the label.
like getting labeled SLP boys who have a little shit. Woo! Yeah, there's something. This is the last thing. Not being ready.
That's everything.
Yeah, well, I do like when we saw little and kind of cool and the other one like kind of I was as I'm trying. I call him as I got a picture of him and like the whole thing and have it in my office. I opened it really fast. And we're recording.
Wow.
Well, as I said, comment, unlike, like, it doesn't really matter. Her coming in and see if that's what we're dying so or she sounds like an angel. What this is a dying goat more than an angel. Seriously, guys. Okay. Oh, before we subscribe, like, unlike, anything, video guys, anything. I don't really care. Make videos about our videos.
Oh, and please don't ask me why.
Yeah, she got a boyfriend. His name's Jordan Stewart.
Well,
I'm still, yeah, I'm still gonna have a boyfriend.
maybe.
Maybe. from Lucky.
If you like
We are Aaron Black Irby, Honeycomb, and Honey Blackberry.
that. And the
Okay, bye. Comment, like, subscribe, make videos about audio, anything. Bye.
Bye.